Aerones Firefighting Drone. Aerones Firefighting Drone is a unique and innovative drone by a company called Aerones Limited. This drone is designed with a purpose to outperform and at the same time assist firefighters. Compared with the ordinary drones, this drone could fly up to a height of 300 to 400 meters and weighs around 55 kilograms. It is a square-shaped drone with a length and width of 3 meters. The primary purpose of this drone was to reach areas which are dangerous or impossible for humans to combat the fire and shoot water or foam. It can shoot water and foam through the front nozzle at a speed of 100 liters per minute with a maximum pressure of 200 bars. Generally, with these kinds of functionalities, the drone becomes weaker. However, this firefighting drone is different and works swiftly even with these advanced functions. It can even lift and rescue people with a weight less than 145 kilograms. It is able to operate in narrow spaces and can avoid obstacles in flight mode. It can also be used for cleaning and maintenance purposes for high-rise buildings or structures. The cost of this drone varies between $3,500 to $6,000.